Good morning, Junior 4. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 6 in Unit 2, which is the bar models. What's the meaning of a bar model? This is the shape of the bar model where we put the whole number where is the bigger number at the top and the smaller numbers one to the sides. Okay? Here, for example, if we have 12, which is the whole number or the bigger number, so 12 means equal 8 plus 4. Okay, and here this 8 equals what? Equals 12 minus 4. If we look to the 4, so it is equal 12 minus 8 here. 8 is 12 minus 4, and here the 12 is 8 plus 4, while the 4 is 12 minus 8. Okay, here we represent the unknown number. If we have the bar model with an unknown, we represent it with X, Y, A, with any symbol. Okay, here, for example, if we have 4 plus X equals 9, this X is unknown instead of the dots. Okay, so this X, how can we get it? When we did 9 minus 4, so the X equals 5. Here, if I have X plus 2 equals 10, this X is unknown. So how can I get the X? I did 10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay, turn on the page 25. Here, read the following problems, create a bar model and an equation for each problem and then solve. Here, there are 5,328 ants in the colony. 2,164 ants are females and the rest are males. How many male ants are in the colony? If we put the numbers in the bar model, so the bigger number, which is the total number, I will put it in the whole part, while in the female number I will put it in one part on one of the parts, and the other number, which is the male, is unknown where I wanted to get it. So here, this X equals 5,328 minus 2,164. I'll go to my workout. 5,328. Here is 4 under 8, 6, 1, comma, 2. I'm doing minus. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 2 minus 6 we cannot because it's more on floor, so I will go next door. The 3 becomes 2, the 2 becomes 12. Now the 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, our comma, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the X, which is the number of males, is 3,164. So here, 3,164. Another one. In a colony A, there are 1,200 ants. Some ants are out for aging for food and supplies, and 700 ants are taking out the colony's trash. How many ants are for aging for food and supplies? So here, in a colony A, there are how many ants in all? 1,200. So the total number is 1,200. Some ants are out for aging for foods and supplies. 700 went out for trash, so 700. How many for food and supplies? So here, which is the X. So I can put the equation, which is X equals 1,200 minus 7,000. I'll go in my workout, 1,200. And here is 7,000 minus 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 7, we cannot. Go to the 1 becomes 0, and the 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5, if 7 is 5, and the 0, which has no meaning. So the answer of the X equals 500, which is the number of ants for aging for food and supplies. Turn on the page 26. Here, there are 12,000 species of ants. of these 12,000 species, 2,500 species live in Africa, and the rest live in another parts of the world. How many species do not live in Africa? Means he wants the rest. So I'm going to do minus here 12, the total number of ants. Here 2,500 lives in Africa, and the rest lives in other parts of the world. So I want the rest of the species. So x equals 12,000 minus 2,500. Here 12,000 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 5 we cannot. I will go next door. 10 minus 5 5. 1 minus 2 we cannot, so I will go next door, and this become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9, and the 0 has no meaning, so the answer of the x is 9,500. And this is the end of the lesson.